are in Gatwick, number 1 lounge. Had a bite to eat and a couple of drinks, and we are getting ready to board for our trip to Orlando Disney World.
Yep.
9 days.
Just got a couple of mimosas. It's like 8:30 in the morning. I don't think I've ever drunk alcohol this early. But it's included in the price of the lounge, so what the hell.
Yeah, and actually we found a really nice little spot in the lounge. When you walk in, you go straight into like a main open area, and there's a bar where all the food is and stuff. But actually, if you come back on yourself a little bit, there's a bit called the library, and I'll do a little shot for you in a minute. It's really nice, actually. It's a lot quieter. There's lots more nice tables and chairs to sit at, and it's a really good little spot. Nice to chill out. So actually, until we found this, I was thinking perhaps it wasn't worth the money. So I think we paid £30 odd each. I think. We don't eat meat. The vegetarian selection of food is not great. In fact, it's just the things that are ordinarily
beans
and mushrooms and what have you.
There was an okay continental selection, so some pastries and stuff.
Yeah, and tea, coffee, and as Sarah said, you can get some alcoholic drinks from the bar, so that's all good. And all of the alcoholic drinks are included, apart from champagne.
Yeah, which is £6.
Oh, actually, that's not too bad, really, is it? So, there we go. So we're going to drink our mimosas, chill out, get on the flight, and we'll chat to you soon. See ya. Welcome to our room at Coronado Springs. We've just checked in. Really dead easy check-in. Very nice chap at the front desk helped us out with everything. We were here last year at Coronado Springs, and we stayed in cabanas in the same area, but the Gran Destino Tower wasn't built. But the check-in is now inside the Gran Destino Tower, and wow, it's beautiful. And our room is in cabanas, and it's right next to the new tower. And actually we can see like where the bus drops people off and what have you. So we've got 2 bus stops nearby, number 4 and number 1. So they seem to be about the same distance, so we've got a good choice of where to get the bus from. So let's have a look at our room. 2 lovely big beds. One will be for sleeping on, the other will be for putting all of our stuff on. So we thought we'd do this before we muck it all up. Nice bit of space for bags and what have you. Nice big telly, and us. We need to obviously get the Disney TV on, don't we? Mm-hmm. Got a nice coffee maker. We like coffee in the morning, but actually what we tend to do is go over to El Centro and pick up our coffee in our reusable mugs. Loads of drawers. I remember that from last time. There's just so much storage space, which is really useful because you can really get yourself feeling at home. That thing continues into here as well. Nice big wardrobe. And what we love about this actually is you get an iron, an ironing board, a hairdryer, everything without, sometimes you need to ask for irons and ironing boards at hotels. So really good that you don't have to. Love this. I just wish we had a bathroom like this at home with our own sinks. Nice little cupboard for nothing. Hair dryers down there. some Disney toiletries, and the bathroom, which just has a regular sort of shower, the shower gel and shampoo and conditioner and everything there, in a lockdown thing, so you can't take it away, obviously. But yeah, there we go. This is our amazing room. I'm really looking forward to staying in here. We're going to freshen up and then we're going to get out to the park. Actually, we're going to go to Epcot. So we're going to get freshened up now, maybe change of clothes. It's a bit breezy out, so we'll probably have a top on, you know, like a jacket or something like that. And we'll catch up with you later.
Yeah, we'll see you in a bit.
Alrighty.
Surprise! Well, we're not at Epcot, we are at Disney Springs. We actually missed the bus to Epcot by 1 minute. And we figured by the time we got to Epcot, we wouldn't have had that much time to look around.
Yeah, we'd have had less than an hour, I think.
We have come to the mac and cheese truck, and we've got 6 cheese mac and cheese and lobster and shrimp mac and cheese. So we're going to tuck into these because they look great and we are really hungry.
Right, we're going to get this in our bellies right now. See you later. So we're back at the room now after an impromptu trip to Disney Springs. So now we are going to just hit the sack, get some Zeds and get up ready for Magic Kingdom tomorrow morning. We will see you in the morning. Sleep tight.